Hey, it's a new day. I love Red Bull.
Little one.
Dildo shifter.
Got nothing to do with this.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We're back at the garage now. This is episode 5 on IGTV, episode 4 on YouTube. We're getting the roll cage put on right behind me, so it's really hard because we're doing a little bit of a different design here, not so straightforward as you can see. We've got these little bends, you know, to come in, so it looks really nice. And so there's a lot of bending, and doing one side is easy. Matching it on the other side is the tough part. So that's what these guys are doing now, just getting these simple welds in, tack welding, just to get the whole cage put together. Then they're gonna weld it and seal it, everything, so it's properly done.
Yo!
Dude, what is going on?
Yeah, we put those plates on. These are just, you know, when you have a pipe on a thin sheet of metal,
Yeah.
when you have impact, it kind of like pushes through or bends it. So what you want to do is you want to put like a thicker sheet there to spread the force. Just in case something happens, it's got that bracing all the way across.
Ah, so this is welded in.
The pipe is going to be right here. And there's going to be some bracing also from this pipe. There's going to be another pipe going somewhere there. And You're going to have another plate there.
Yep.
So this is going to be reinforced just in case the car gets into a side impact. Darth Vader would drive a car with that in it. You like, the force is strong with this one.
I am your father.
So you got to look from the rear. And the cool thing about it is it still looks like a car. I mean, we're getting rid of the body behind it and everything, but it still looks like a car. It's gonna look so badass. Completely different than what you've seen or what I've ever seen. Oh, yo, what's up? Casper's here. Where have you been? Woo, what you got there, man?
I got a nice present from the guys at Red Bull here in Bahrain.
Oh no, for a sponsor?
Not really a sponsor, but a supporter, let's put it that way.
Nice.
And this is to make sure that we get the job done in time. So yeah, thank you Red Bull Bahrain.
Thank you, Red Bull. Thank you, Red Bull Bahrain. I love Red Bull.
I missed.
Blood, sweat, tears.
Cheers. It looks like you're taking a piss.
See a doctor for that.
3, 2, 1.
I think that looks much better.
Yes!
I think that looks dope. So we have our own little pickup truck.
Okay, tailgate. Party's over. Do it more.
If you do it like 10 more times, we'll be good to go.
Maybe when the SEC is coming apart.
Yeah. Going a little more.
Come on, do it.
Do a little more, you're good.
Just cut it!
It's so much fun watching that though.
I had to step out for like half an hour. Doesn't matter why. Anyways, I came back and look what Casper did. Holy shit, dude! You just went all ham on this motherfucker.
Well, that's what's basically come off in the space of a while.
Was that? Wait, what?
That's just plexi, just for trial.
Oh, okay.
So now we're left to the 2 chassis frames, which I'm gonna cut off soon.
You gonna call it a chassis frame?
Just the end bit because we don't need them.
Okay.
I'm going to take off this side, and remove all evidence that it is in fact a 350Z.
Oh, I'm gonna miss these. It reminds me of a Lambo.
Now they're going to go. There's a gut in my mind.
There's a mind in my gut.
There's something in my head saying that we should keep this for aesthetics reasons. I think it looks good.
Dude, this is gonna go. This, all of this. All of this. We're not gonna
We're
have...
gonna have a big empty space here though.
Well, that's the idea. We want a big empty space. We want this thing to feel so free. We don't want all of this ugly sheet metal. Look at this.
What are we putting in here?
Nothing. It's gonna be, this is gonna be supported by a bar that goes across here. And this is gonna have a bar. And that...
Careful.
Too late.
Blood.
Too late. Blood.
Yeah.
Why do
Okay.
you guys never listen? Wear gloves.
Okay, listen.
Where are you putting the big wang?
But I don't know. I think we can use it.
Yeah. Right here. Like if I was a wing, I would be...
I'm an eagle.
I think we can use it. I'm stubborn on this part.
I know what you're thinking, because you're thinking what I'm thinking about, like having some kind of structure so it looks like sort of like a car, but like the radiators are gonna be here,
Not even like that.
and they're gonna give a really cool because they're gonna be coming up this way, right?
Fans,
And they're gonna be fans. So this will be in the way of like the aesthetics.
Like we want to make the car simple, very simple, very clean, very easy to work on, you know. And plus, here we're gonna have a bar for the back of the belt to latch onto. You can't do them off of this bar. It's either gonna be this or this. You know.
I get what you're saying.
So trust me on the structure. I'll let you do all the cutting.
Got 1 week to sell that car. Otherwise, come to the chat. This is what we've done, but yeah.
So we chopped off basically everything on the back. Cut into the fenders. We're going to do that on both sides, but this side we need to wait till tomorrow because I want to remove the fuel tank. Part of the chassis brace we removed, that is just useless weight. And now we're bracing the whole car, getting everything all done and dusted, making sure the car is rigid, put it on a lift, remove everything from underneath that we don't need, and that's that.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Saying goodnight from the team.
It's a wrap!
We're far from done, but we're getting there.
From the team, blood, sweat, and tears. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Make sure to check out the previous
Number
videos.
one, baby. Forget all the rest of the stuff you watch online. This is it right here.
Right here.